This is Tyler finishing out a 1,000-piece puzzle. It's 3 feet wide. The pieces are tiny, and we've worked on it a lot together, but the last 2 days he wouldn't let me work on it at all. He's been finishing out some of the hardest places on the puzzle, and so he's got about 18 pieces to go.
Yeah, it's about 18.
And he is meticulously finding the places for them, even though this is the hardest part of the puzzle. And it's really impressive to watch him do this. Alright, we're going to let him keep working. He's got 2 really tough spots left to do. That one and that one, where all the pieces look the same. Are you having fun with it, Tyler? Yeah? That's a puzzle piece he's shoving in your face. It's been really impressive to watch him do this and to be so dedicated to it. We'll see you when he finishes it.